these are blessings in disguise. Do we all remember the Ghanaian guy that was affected by the xenophobic attacks that is going on in South Africa?
Now we're making it very clear to you guys, Utitina, we don't want you here. We want you to fix your countries.
He just received a massive help from a Ghanaian billionaire.
Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to Kwejo Bernard Studios once again.
We don't want Ghanaians in our country.
Then the
you have
pass.
Where's your passport? Are you expecting?
No, I don't work at immigration.
Do you want him to be working every day with his passport?
A week? Is it your job? That is not your job. That is the job of immigration.
True. So one victim, the main victim, Emmanuel Asamoah, the foreign ministry engaged and where they say, Charlie, yeah, you baby, ko baby. No brown farm out there, you better sign the waba with chi. No better touch it down. No.
Ibrahim Mahama. The whole Ghana.
What took you to South Africa?
South Africa, make a pay Juma.
Yeah, Juma Bain. Ebi waha.
I saw Tonton money. I don't know Ibrahim Mahama. See no problem.
Oh. So these are blessings in disguise. Do we all remember the Ghanaian guy that was affected by the xenophobic attacks that is going on in South Africa?
Now we're making it very clear to you guys, Utitina, we don't want you here. We want you to fix your countries.
He just received a massive help from a Ghanaian billionaire.
Now we don't want you here. We want you to fix your country.
Immediately this video came out, Ghanaians, as we are Ghanaians, our foreign affairs minister, Honorable Okujetua Blakwa, made it fast and then make connections, calls and all of that to South Africa to, check on him, how he's feeling. He made sure that he was with the High Commission there, like that. They cared about him. Weeks later, they decided to bring him back in Ghana. After he's coming back in Ghana, right now he's with us. Our billionaire, that is the man that we are seeing on the screen, Mr. Ibrahim Mahama, decided from a good heart just help him by establishing him, not just giving him money, establishing him a permanent job. And the permanent job is that he was going to have an entire cement depot. So as I am talking to you right now, Emmanuel actually owns a cement depot. The billionaire, Mr. Ibrahim Mahama, went ahead to give him 200,000 Ghana cedis. 200,000 Ghana cedis. And to my South Africans, that is 292,000 plus South Africans rand. That is how much the man decided to give him to start his life all over again. I say that some blessings, you will be sleeping and they will come to you. There are some too that you have to pass through some fire so that you get it. Even though he went through that, this is what he gets in return. On the other hand, there was a demolition at Sakumo Ramza site over the weekend. And one person that was actually affected, one person that, the world was rooting for that this should not have happened to him is the man that we are seeing on the screen. And according to actor Wayosi, he said that he was there when the businessman, Mr. Augustine Amoakohene, reached out to him and said that he has seen a video of on the internet and he is so sad that is happening to an old man and he would love to support the man. So he decided to, go through the actor Wayosi, let them visit him with some, some of the rice, textbooks for his case and all of that. On top of that, they went ahead to also give the man an amount of 50,000 Ghana cedis that he should use that one to cater for renting, at the meantime, what they would do near their day. Ghanaians are kind people.
So obey there, you're happy, papa, say you proud. The minimum Nigeria for now, I want woman, a minimum actually woman, you understand? But you have come back home peacefully, and we are happy. So now what we want you to do is to be an ambassador. What do you want? What do you want to do? At the end of the day, yeah, you beat me up. Wow, you use you as an ambassador. Yeah. So that's
The margin on me, what company I yes, it's
hardware.
Yeah.
No problem there. Opinion is here. Cement there. Opinion is here. And I'm happy to say, prepare a very trucks and all. Yeah, maybe projects are one motor cement. They are direct to Utwa. It's our credit, no winner. Utwa now we work up in the BBA officer now. big future talks about drivers. Now, key for resource is 7 now. What the Toman and now just kind of now why you profit then one. That was what started. Also start here. Now I feel me on the movie. Now also put the Omashi as agents almost so top then one. Why? See, the best year or CD millionaire. Now I catch it. That's for me say, we will fix our country. What? I'm very happy so about.
The young Ghanaian that returned from South Africa as a result of xenophobic harassment has just been picked up by a business mogul in Ghana, Ibrahim Mahama, giving him 200,000 Ghana cedis, and also to fix a cement depot for the young man. Life can humble you with a blink. His enemies right now that we're laughing at him are busy refreshing their Facebook pages in pain with HD quality. That is what God can do. Destiny, as they always say, can do overnight delivery. So don't be fast in mocking people. The whole Africa is proud of this development. See you again. The law is the law.
Yes, Abusia, and was saying Ibrahim Mahama, Abusia. This man, the day, I'm say, and pay me bossing me and go to Asian, Abusia, Mobekaya, and Jebia, Mr. Samoa, Mr. Samoa, who kind was South Africa, xenophobic attacks now, and course no kind. Foreign Minister, but to just say, Ibrahim Mahama per se, or sponsor no any business, Mr. Samaba Soye Biano, or best sponsor no Abusia. Mamon je etuetua hene de on shebo enja ne sakwa Abusia na mno kasai. Ibrahim Mahama abomoden a gift Mr. Samoa 200,000 Ghana cedis. Owe na ose buano abie cement adanse hunoma company edema no tumi distribute cement watonton cement na adanse no ma Abusia yeze. Yay! I don't phobia me fine. Nada kupa mena mopa. Oh, nanka we dey ka bonsa mo fefiu. Nanka mena ma no ko bi de ka bota chegu me ho. Na di pana uro de grass akofo. Nko twi ti nanka Ibrahim Mahama. Oh, young man, young boy. Sorry, okay? Oh, come. What do you do in life? I've never been able to actually history. See, I'm moving my Obiane ko befaswa adom no ebe so so masa Mr. Samoa ene ko attack no nya sa adom we who the list mistakes obiata yebekum free why you say somebody pay Bobby. Wow see Nyankopon ni nipa bi si adom man we nanso ebi mo tan for no reason adan oni adiem me say enkufu esika so ammo we ya moa enti nipa bi say no se Nyankopon agusu hira na wo tenchen enwiwi enyo be nwiwi a che papa you myself forget you what me boa say sponsorship or so be ma Mr. Samoa anye kasakwa yese kasa ya frama so we de kasa we de anya frama wadi boss ne so opportunity my team obi mo rebukura na o ka so mbo ni papa kudi o we kwa no mo a Ibrahim Mahama odidi wa me ombo ni papa kudi o we bele dwane dia Ibrahim Mahama ade Abusia enye ize nyame be hira Ibrahim Mahama pa na nze Nyankopon so egusu ehia me say o de Nyankopon ehia de be hira Ibrahim Mahama no onfanye emfie dodo ema no onfama no kwatenten me pa no
Clear road from Dangote of Ghana. Either buy new private jet and they ask a question, what happened to the former one? If I get private jet too, this is a country where they say nobody fit buy private jet. If I get private jet, he buy another brand new private jet and they ask and say, what happened to the old one? Listen to them.
Ibrahim, so how do you feel about your old plane right now?
My old plane. My old plane is an air ambulance now. Emergency air ambulance. For every Ghanaian. Not for me alone, for every Ghanaian.
So it's for every Ghanaian.
Yeah.
I'll be on the next flight.
He say na emergency ambulance for every Ghanaians. This is the reason why I post this video. Do you have big men who be odogu for your country, whether they think about you? He said he said he owned the former private jet. He be emergency ambulance for every Ghanaian. Meaning say if there is any emergency that and they need to rush go another country for treatment or anything, they go carry am. He don fed one before, not be say I just dey talk. How many of you remember this one? This is a girl who he helped before. E be like say the girl get one or two challenge, they fly her out go receive in treatment. Na him take care of her. Many of you see am. This is odogu of Ghana. Like if you want to beat your hand for your chest, say I get big man for my country. Now like this big man supposed to behave. And not be say I be big man, I be this. My network na enemy billion, enemy trillion, and nobody they benefit from it. Even a common citizen no they benefit from it. I beg you never be big man. If you want to be a big man, show yourself to the poor ones in your country. Now so it be. Ghana Dangote